I'm the 5-Minute Professor, and today's very short lecture is on the hiccup. Also known as a singultus, from the Latin for trying to catch one's breath while sobbing. Medically, it's a synchronous diaphragmatic flutter. What happens is the diaphragm contracts, and then a quarter of a second later, the vocal cord slams shut, and that's what makes the noise. Hiccups only occur in mammals, and it may be a residual way to rid the stomach of air that might be gulped during breastfeeding. It's possible. When my kids were babies, if they got the hiccups, we usually got rid of it by burping them until they stopped. Charles Osborne had hiccups for 68 years. After a hog fell on him during the slaughtering process, he had one hiccup every 10 seconds from 1922 until 1990. That's 430 million hiccups. His hiccups stopped when he was 96 years old, about 9 months before he died. Jennifer Mee was a Florida girl who had hiccups for 5 weeks in 2007. She hiccuped much faster, 50 hiccups a minute, and in 5 weeks, she had 2.5 million hiccups. Perceptum, quispium, damnatium. Learn something, damn it. I'm the 5-Minute Professor, and thank you very much for listening to today's lesson. If you have any comments at all, please put them in the comments section down below. And of course, like it, and subscribe to the channel. But most important, if you liked it, if you commented, and if you subscribed, tell your friends. Perceptum, quispium, damnatium. Learn something, damn it.